Hello, guys, and welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Yes, and if it's your first time visiting, oh, I so appreciate having you. My channel is all about inspiring you. I have a bunch of videos to do that and to motivate you. Yes, and to help to transform your lives like I have transformed my life. And how did I do that? I got rid of old self limiting beliefs. Yeah, those beliefs, those things that you believe in, that you can't do something, you can't afford something. I changed my self talk. And now I change and I've transformed myself by instilling and implanting powerful beliefs that I can do anything. Yes, I can. I can afford anything. Yes, so as you watch my videos, you will understand what my channel is all about. And I do hope you love my channel and you come back. That means you will subscribe after watching. Yes, you will leave a comment for me and interact with me. So, guys, today it's a really nice topic because I like to do this. And so, it's about self care, it's about personal development, and about success. So, what all three of those things have in common? Self care, habits, personal development, habits, success, for sure, habits. All three of those things I just named, the things that they have in common are our habits. So let's talk about self care because I was talking to a friend last night and I was telling her about my self care regimen and I told her how important self care is. That when you're doing all that you can, and if you lack yourself, the road seems rougher with more bumps because somehow you may lose self motivation because you're lacking care of yourself. So let's talk about self care and then we will go into personal development and success. So, what is self care? You first have to understand that your health is everything. That's first and foremost. Your health is everything. Without your health, success is meaningless. You won't live long enough to enjoy success. So once I have that in my head, that I must eat the proper foods. Yes, you can splurge now and then. Over the summer when my daughter came, I got into buying ice cream for her. And even after she left, I went and bought me a chocolate. Is my thing. Went and bought me my nice little chocolate with the chocolate drops of ice cream, you know. And then I had to say, Georgette, that's enough. I think I bought two nice sizes after she left. I didn't even send her a photo, and then I caught myself and I said, enough of that. And so self care is taking care of your well being, your soul set. Robin Sharma, I just was listening to Robin Sharma. He likes to talk about the head set, the soul set. That's the whole person, your mindset. He has a lot of them. I think he has about 5 of them, but I take note of the mindset, your soul set, and your health set. And so we have to take care of all of those. And so that's what personal care is. Knowing that if you eat junk over a period of time, the calories are going to build up. You're going to put those pounds off. That is very, very hard to lose. I'm a fitness trainer as well. And losing weight is one of the most difficult things to do. One off. Because you smell food, you see food. Food is, oh my gosh, always tempting to put food, the bad foods in our mouths. And so you have to recognize that you have to choose the right foods. Okay? And then also exercise. People always want to be motivated, but when I said this in the beginning, that when you understand that your health means everything to you, that even wealth cannot amount to. Because if you're not healthy, your wealth means nothing to you. And so when you understand that, okay, I'm going after these big goals, but am I even taking care of my health? Am I finding time each day? The very same way you find time to shower, to eat, to sleep, that's how important exercise should be to you, to move the body. And so when you get that health care in, you understand that it's very important to your well-being. And so another part of healthcare for me is finding time to find peace somewhere. If you guys follow my channel, you know I love the beach and you know I love nature. Find a place of solace for you that does it for you. You need it. You need it. I promise you, you need it. You're going after the goals. You have 2-3 jobs. You have many streams of income that requires your time and your focus. But are you finding 10, 15, 20 minutes to step away and to find peace? Just to walk down the street, stroll down the street. Just to go on the beach. And if you don't have a beach, go on the park. Do you have a park? Do you know when I go on the park, I'm like a kid. I go in the swing and I swing, and I'm like a big old kid because I love the roller coasters and I love all those things. But you have to find a place of peace every day. I don't care what I'm doing. I step away and I take 1 hour every day and I do my workout and I find myself on the beach for 5 minutes before heading back home. That's me. That's very important. That's crucial to my achieving goals, dreaming big and accomplishing. That's big. That is right up there with it for me. That's where I put it on my list. And so because that is there, I know that I must do that daily. That's self-care. Another self-care is how we take care of our exterior as well. We know that the inside is important. But how do we take care of the exterior as well? How do we carry ourselves? When you look at yourself, do you feel good? Do you smell good? I went out today to get me some vitamins, some sea moss. Sea moss is so good for you. It has 92 minerals. And the young lady in the shop said, "Oh, you smell so good." Let me tell you, I used a whole bottle on me. I used the body splash. I used the shower gels. I used the butter, not lotion, butter on my skin. And then I used the oils. And so when I smell I feel good. That aroma, I feel good. And I step with confidence. So when you smell good and you look good, you feel good. So you have to carry yourself in a way that you feel. And for everybody, makeup is not for everyone. I know that everyone has their own thing. Some people don't wear makeup at all. Some people don't but we can't wear lipstick now because we wear masks. It's the year coronavirus 2020, so we all wear masks. But I still like my little gloss. But when I'm putting on the mask, I have to wipe it off, And so when do you carry yourself where you feel good within yourself? You shower, you smell good, and so in return you feel good. That's self-care, guys. And then absolutely 100% the mindset. Oh my gosh, I left that for the end, but mindset is key. Are you into meditation? Do you know what meditation means? Is to become one with your inner being. Meditation is to go within. You are a co-creator. Go within and create the life that you desire, or go within and just be still. You don't have to visualize every time you meditate. You can just set your intention. You know your goals and your dreams. You read them, you look at them, and then you just go and be still and be one. Meditation is so powerful. I did not know the importance of meditation. I said to myself the other day, wow, I wasted so much time, wasted so much sleep and waking up, because upon going to sleep, that's the most important time when you're going into that drowsy state, that alpha state to create worlds. And I've wasted so much of that watching TV and falling to sleep watching TV, which is so bad for you. Waking up and touching my phone. I've wasted so much alpha state. If you don't understand all of those, I'm going to leave a link below that breaks down all the brain waves state that we go through. And so that is self-care, guys. Now let's go into personal development. Personal development is all about self-growth, personal growth. Are you reading every day? You don't have to read a whole book. I have lots of books around me. You don't have to read an entire book per day. Are you reading one paragraph every day? Guys, it doesn't matter how busy I am. I make sure. Sometimes, I will be very honest, I'm very sleepy and I read 2 lines, 3 lines, or a paragraph. But and in those lines, it somehow sometimes wake me up. I'm like, wow, I've never heard of this information. I had to get up and take notes. So reading, guys, I heard someplace, I was watching a blog or a vlog someplace. Reading is like having a personal mentor, because depends on the book that you're reading, it's as if the person is actually speaking to you. So reading a book is a mentor. Napoleon Hill's, Joe Dispenza's, all the books, John Kehoe. I mean, all the books that I have read. It's as if I'm being personally mentored by those people. So reading for me is a must. I also do audiobooks. Sometimes I maybe like really had a long day and I would turn my audiobook on. Yes, it's not the same as physically reading, but at least I'm gaining some knowledge every day. Personal development. Do you have a mentor? Do you have someone that you're looking up to that's ahead of you, but that has accomplished the very things that you desire to accomplish? Do you have a mentor? That's very important. It's just like having a personal trainer. In the gym, there are persons that hire personal trainers to help guide them, because why? They are the expert in their field. Most personal trainers are in very good shape because they are great health. They sell great health. But when you look at them, when you look at your personal trainer should be in shape. Yeah? And so I have a mentor, and I bought his courses, and he mentors me, him and his partner. And so do you have a mentor? Do you have someone that is ahead of you, driving faster, that you can look up to, living the life? When you look at them, you say, yeah, and they came from nothing. I know I'm going to get there. As long as I never quit, I know I'm going to get there. That's personal development, guys. Do you listen to blogs and vlogs and motivational videos in your niche, in whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever that goal is? Do you find persons that you can find on YouTube, motivation, and listen to every day? I do. That is personal development. And so that's self-care and that's personal development. And let's go into the success now, because we all want success in our lives. But success can be a dangerous thing. Success is great. Success is awesome. But as we start to accomplish goals and become more successful, we then forget the habits. We then allow our ego to take over. Wow, my income has increased tremendously. I have 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 followers on Instagram, on Facebook. I have 13, 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Then our ego becomes much more than ourselves. And guess what we forget to do? We forget self-care. We forget to meditate. We start missing meditations. We start missing our nature walk and walking on the beach, our place of peace each day. We start missing our exercises. So success can be a dangerous thing. That is why success is all in the habits. And that's why you don't become successful right away, you know. You got to form these habits. These habits has to be cemented in to wire into your brain, into that subconscious. And when that becomes a part of you, then and only then will you achieve great success. But some people still, when they receive great success, tend to then fall short on the care, self-care. They fall short on the personal development. And then guess what? It starts to become the fall, the fall, the fall. From the rise, you start to fall. And so, guys, that is why your self care is so important to develop those habits. That is why your personal development is so important to develop the habits of personal development that will lead you to success. And guess what? Success is so sweet, but when you get there, you will continue with the habits. Guys, I hope you got some value. I really, really hope. That's what I strive to do. It's your girl, Georgette. Again, I thank you for watching and for staying to the end. I'm going to leave you a free gift below. And also, I'm going to leave you the link below that has all the habits, the tutorial for those success habits for you to drill in, for you to practice, that will lead you to great success. I thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment in the box below. Interact with me. Name one of your self-care and personal development habits that you have each day. Just one. Give me one of your habits. Let's interact. Let's chit-chat. Leave me those likes. Smash those thumbs up. Smash them in. If you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe, guys. Grab your free gift, and I'm going to leave you videos popping up for you to keep watching. Keep watching. You will gain a lot of value. I promise you. It's your girl, Georgette, sending you love and light. As always, I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye now. Mwah!